everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing this video from my bathroom. I hope there is no echo in this video, but yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. So for the past 3 years I have been struggling with hormonal acne. Like, my skin has been breaking out ever since I gave birth to my last baby. It has been doing the most, okay? All the time I had breakouts. At first, I think there was a time they were really terrible. Like, my skin was, I didn't understand what was going on, and I had to go to a dermatologist, and the dermatologist said I had besides it being also hormonal, I had an infection, okay? So he said this is caused by a lot of things. It can be the food that you eat or whatever. So on payment for 6 months, and it did clear my skin, but after, because I mean, I can't really live on antibiotic forever, but after that I find that I still have breakout, and I still like spots. It leaves spots on my face, and I'm that person that loves squeezing. My husband likes squeezing my pimples, so it's been a struggle. So I have used a lot of things from what people recommend you to use, and I have used a lot of things, but I'm still struggling. I'm gonna show you what I've been currently using. Okay, so first of all, I start by removing my makeup with coconut oil. And one thing that I just figured out now, I've run out of what is this? Facial wipes. I've run out of facial wipes, and well, I'll get it when I get to the grocery store, but because I want to do this video now, this is the only time, so I'm just gonna quickly show you how I'll do it. So I remove my makeup with coconut oil. So because I've run out of wipes, I'm just gonna use my face cloth to wipe this makeup. And I didn't put much mascara today. I only put a little bit. So you guys, there's all the makeup you can see. Now, where is that? So after I remove my makeup with coconut oil, I'll take I've been using this, I hope it shows, it's African black soap. I take it, and I usually just, so before I even wash, so this is my lazy routine when I'm actually lazy, you guys, to wash off with water. Before I wash the facial wash, okay, sorry, I forgot to show you. I take my face scrub. I use this Cuticura. I've been using this Cuticura for a while now, and it's been working quite well. So I take it and I scrub my face. I'm trying to make this video as short as I can. I rinse it off. This is what I do when sometimes, most of the times, if I'm not in the shower, like I'll do a nice routine when I'm in the shower. When I'm in the shower, I've got all the time, and I wash anything off. But usually at night, I'm kind of lazy, and I'll be rushing to bed. So I would just use a cleanser and then exfoliator all together at the same time. I'm not saying you should do that. That's what I do, okay? I have my facial wipes. At this moment, what I usually do, if I'm looking the other side, you guys, there's a mirror there, so that's why I'll be looking there. So after, usually, if I have wipes, I'm checking if all my makeup is off. Okay, it seems off. Yeah, it looks like it's off. bentonite clay. I don't know if you can see it. I got this in discount. I'll take this and I take it like not too much, like honestly not much. Yeah, like a half level of a plastic. Don't use a metal teaspoon, use plastic, because yeah, I use a plastic one and I mix it. So this clay has been helping me, guys, a lot in terms of drying my, whenever I get breakouts. Yeah, it's been helping me off. It's been helping me. It helps to dry. For me, it's been helping to dry the breakouts. It's been helping to dry my breakouts. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it with my hands because my foundation brush is just not okay. I'm just looking here on the screen, you guys, so don't mind me. So I only apply this on my area where I break out. Like this is the area where I break out a lot, like a lot, you guys. It's crazy. And I also break out a lot on my forehead. So this pencil, I let this dry. I let it dry for, I usually leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. It depends. Like if I'm not in a hurry, I leave this for 5 to 10 minutes until it dries up. Okay, it's dried off. I'm just gonna wash it off. You see? Yeah. I wash it off. I guess I love facial masks, you guys. I really do love facial masks. I love how my skin feels after any mask. It feels so good, you guys. Really good. Can you guys see? Look at my face. Look at that. Can you look at that? It is horrible. It is really horrible at the moment. I don't like using negative words, but yeah, it is horrible. So usually after, I don't do this too often. I do this maybe twice in a month when I use 2 masks one after another. I like this Gentle Magic mask. It's very nice and it's super light. Okay, it is super light. So usually I like to finish off with it. Okay, and just apply also on my affected area, and it's got this nice minty kind of feeling. You can feel if you've got open pimples, you can feel it tingling. So you guys, what I can tell you is when you have breakouts, okay, that moment when you have breakouts, do not exfoliate your face. Do not exfoliate your face when you've got breakouts. Okay, please. You're just going to severely damage your skin more, especially if it's a granular exfoliator. Do not use a granular exfoliator when you've got breakouts. Okay, don't. Wait until your breakouts dries, then you can use your exfoliator. So on this mask, it says lather onto your skin and leave for 15 to 30 seconds, then rinse. Apply 2 to 3 times a week. I usually use this only once a week. I usually use it only once a week. 15 to 30 seconds is over. I usually leave it for a minute or two, you guys. It's me, okay? I have a problem following rules, but it's up to you. I think you should follow the instructions. It's just in case if you react. For me, I just feel like 15 seconds is just too little. Like what did it do in 15 seconds, really? Okay, so I wash it off. Okay. Wash off. So after washing it off, I take my Gentle Magic, this Gentle Magic lotion, and they say don't apply it all over your face, but my face is a mess. The whole face is just a mess, so I don't get it. I usually just, because this is my problematic area, so this is what I do to it on the problematic area. Okay. I love Gentle Magic products. They work. Okay, for me they work quite, especially this. It's quite good when it comes to acne skin. After it had dried off, I take my Pond's. This is my Pond's. It's Perfect Color Complex. It's my Pond's Perfect Color Complex normal to oily skin. And I apply it all over my face. I like Pond's products. Pond's products, they're actually really good, you guys. I used to not like Pond's because, I mean, it's just Pond's. We grew up using Pond's. I am done. So this is my nighttime. This is my nighttime skin routine, okay? And I'm still in the process, guys, of working on my hormonal acne. If you have suffered from hormonal acne, please let me know. Comment down below. How did you treat it? It's been a struggle for me, but yeah, I feel like I'm getting there. My skin is much better, okay, you guys? It is much better. Can you feel? All these are like, now I want to work on this a lot. I feel like if my skin doesn't change by the end of this year, next year I'm going on Reaccutane. And that was it for today's video. Okay, that is my nighttime skincare routine. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.